Okay, so I have this page dog-eared because this is my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, and today I'm going to do popovers. Okay, I am preheating my toaster oven to 400 degrees. And now I'm going to combine these simple ingredients. Here are 2 beaten eggs, a cup of milk, and this, by the way, is at room temperature. It's important. A cup of flour, in this case it's unbleached flour, and then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a couple pinches of salt. And I want to mix this up really well so the consistency of this, as I say in my cookbook, should be like heavy cream. Now I'm just going to heat up the muffin tin for a minute or two. The toaster oven is at 400. I want to mention here that I did oil this muffin tin. Now these pans get filled I'd say about 3/4 full. At 400, in goes the pan, and I'm going to bake this pan for 20 minutes. I'm setting the timer. They baked at 400 for 20 minutes. I've reduced the heat down now to 350, and they look like they're browning up really well. You'll want to not peek. Don't open the toaster oven door, because the steam that is making these little guys rise is going to condense because of the lower temperature, and they will collapse. So you want to make sure that you bake them so they're very, very nice and golden brown, and bake them long enough so that you get a nice rigid side on these. Oh, are they good? If you've never tried a popover, I would give this a try. They're delicious. Just with butter, or sometimes I put some jam on. And buy my cookbook, Pop It in the Toaster Oven. You can buy it anywhere. This recipe is in there. Enjoy.